Have you ever looked around your home and thought, I wish cleaning didn't feel like such a tiring battle? What if I told you that the solution has been sitting right in your kitchen drawers, bathroom shelves, and pantry all along? Everyday items you walk past daily can actually perform powerful professional level cleaning magic. Today we're unlocking those secrets and transforming your cleaning routine forever. So stay with me, because what you're about to discover might completely change how you see ordinary household items. Before we dive in, hit like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and turn on the bell icon, because I'm here to help you clean smarter, not harder. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. The shocking truth: you've been ignoring powerhouse cleaners at home. We rush to buy expensive branded cleaners, sprays, solutions, and gadgets. The irony: some of the best cleaning heroes are sitting quietly in your home, unnoticed and underestimated. Everyday items like salt, vinegar, aluminum foil, toothpaste, baking soda, lemons, they aren't just random things. They are highly effective cleaning tools trusted by professionals. And once you understand how they work, cleaning stops feeling like a burden and starts feeling unbelievably easy. White vinegar, the silent superhero of cleaning. Let's start with something almost everyone has in their kitchen. White vinegar. It may smell a little strong, but its cleaning power is unreal. Vinegar cuts through grease, dissolves soap scum, kills bad odors, and even breaks down mineral scale. Imagine your shower glass covered in hard water stains, your faucets losing shine, or your bathroom smelling musty. Just mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray generously, leave for a few minutes, and wipe. Suddenly everything looks refreshed, bright, and sparkling. It feels like magic, but it's pure science. Baking soda, your gentle, powerful scrubbing partner. Now meet vinegar's best friend, baking soda. Soft, powdery, non-toxic, but incredibly effective. When surfaces are grimy, greasy, or stained, baking soda acts like a gentle exfoliator for your home. Sprinkle on oven stains, greasy pots, dirty sinks, stained tiles. Leave it for a while. Then scrub lightly. You'll see dirt lift effortlessly. And when baking soda meets vinegar, foam reaction. This bubbly action breaks dirt apart automatically, making cleaning look almost effortless. Lazy cleaning lovers, this duo is your dream team. Lemon, nature's brightening and deodorizing miracle. Sometimes the problem isn't dirt, it's smell. And that's where lemon comes in. Lemons don't just smell refreshing, they actually neutralize bad odors. Cut a lemon, rub it on cutting boards, greasy stovetops, kitchen counters, or even refrigerator shelves. The citric acid lifts grease while the natural oils leave behind shine and fragrance. Throw lemon slices in boiling water and your whole kitchen gets natural air freshening treatment. No artificial sprays, no chemicals, just pure freshness. Toothpaste, not just for teeth. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. Your home has hidden power, just use it. So the next time your home feels dirty, greasy, smelly, or stained, don't rush to buy expensive cleaners. Look around. Your kitchen, bathroom, and pantry already have the heroes you need. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon, toothpaste, salt, dish soap, aluminum foil. These aren't simple household items, they're cleaning powerhouses waiting for you to trust them. Click here to learn more about how to use everyday items for top-notch cleaning. https://www.school.com. The Big Sweep 7, 6, and 8 How to Use Everyday Items for Top-Notch Cleaning. If today's video opened your eyes, if it made cleaning feel easier, smarter, and more exciting, then don't keep it to yourself. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon and share this with someone who needs easier cleaning in their life, because your home deserves the best. And sometimes the best is already right in front of you.